Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show an example of finding an element by exact text, which is kind of common problem for me in my life for some reason. So imagine we have a list and it contains elements like 28, 28b, 28c, and then elements with 8, 8b, 8c. And you want to find text 8, right? An element with precise text 8, not 28, not 8. The problem is if you just use sci_contains and you say, for example, selector, class day, and text to find, well, unfortunately, it finds a wrong element. It finds the first element that contains partial text match, which is the one with text 28. So let's confirm that we found the right element. Should have text to find. And it shows now that we found incorrect partial text match. And it's pretty common. I have to say, if you don't control the order of elements, it's really hard to ensure that you find the right element. Of course, you can create a regular expression. Let's say we hard-coded it for now. So we want text 8 and nothing else. In this case, we do find the right element because we say this is a regular expression, the start followed by 8 and then the end. We can even construct this regular expression if we know the variable and not the literal. So we can say new reg exp, I believe, and then string template, and then we have to be careful about everything. We text to find is a variable, and that's the end, and I think this is it. Did I construct it correctly? Oh, I don't need forward slashes. Okay, but it's kind of unwieldy. Um, I don't like writing a regular expression just so I can find the text. This is where my Cypress map comes into play. You can get all the elements with class day, and then you can say find one and give it a predicate. And it will receive, if it's a jQuery object, each raw element, and we can say L inner text is text to find, and we can confirm at the end that we find one element the right text. Let's see. So that works. Find one yields the element with inner text equal to the string value. And because it's so common, we can avoid creating a predicate and just pass text argument. Find one, if it is a text argument and not a function, not an object, will assume that you are looking for exact inner text match. So that's the shortest example that I know of using exact text match in your Cypress tests. Okay, I'm going to put a link to the website with this Cypress example, and I think this is it.